Your car's suspension system does more than just provide a smooth ride. It keeps your vehicle stable and safe on the road. But when your suspension isn't functioning properly, it can seriously compromise your ability to steer, brake, and handle the car, especially in emergencies or poor road conditions. Here's some tips on what to look for, as well as what you can do if you are experiencing suspension problems. Number 1, look for uneven tire wear. If your tires are wearing unevenly, it might indicate a problem with the suspension system, such as misaligned wheels or worn out shocks. Number 2, pay attention to bouncing or swaying. If your car bounces excessively after hitting a bump or sways when you make turns, your shocks or struts may be worn out. Number 3, watch for steering problems. If your steering feels loose or vehicle pulls to one side, it could be a sign of suspension or alignment issues. Now that we've gone over some basic tips, here's some troubleshooting that you can do at home. Number 1, check for noisy suspension. Clunking, knocking, or creaking sounds when you're driving over bumps or turning are often signs of worn out suspension components such as ball joints or control arms. Number 2, if your vehicle is sitting lower on one side than the other. If your vehicle looks lower on one side, it could indicate a broken or weakened spring that needs immediate attention. Number 3, a rough or uncomfortable ride. If you're feeling every bump in the road, your suspension system isn't absorbing impact as it should, likely due to worn out shocks or struts. Now that you know the key signs, here's how our expert team offers suspension system diagnostic and repairs. Number 1, we provide a thorough inspection. We'll inspect key components like shocks, struts, springs, and control arms to assess the condition of your suspension and pinpoint any problems. Number 2, precision repairs. From replacing worn shocks to aligning your wheels, our technicians have the experience to make the right repairs, improving both your vehicle's comfort and the handling. Number 3, customer-centered communication. We believe in transparency, so we'll provide a vehicle health checkup with clear explanation of any issues we find and give you options for repairs or replacements tailored to your vehicle's needs. If your car doesn't ride as smoothly as it used to, it's time to bring it in. We'll make sure your suspension system is back in shape, ensuring a safe, comfortable drive every time. So go to our website today to book your appointment.